Hey guys, it's Brian with No Name Garage. So, do you ever just want to do it yourself? A lot of guys do, and a lot of girls do, and that's okay, and we want to help you. So, No Name Garage offers a DIY option. With this option, you get one of our bays at an hourly rate. It allows you to come in, utilize hand tools within the shop already provided, pneumatic tools already provided, and access to specialty tools that you may not have in your regular garage. So we want you to keep it in mind that we offer the DIY for you to get it done by yourself, or bring a friend. They're welcome. Either way, we're here to support. If you get into a project that's bigger than you expected, that's okay. We can help you out and we'll get it done. So consider our DIY option next time that you need to get something done on your car or you want to get it done yourself, because there's sometimes no better way.